Hi everyone, Mr. Missouri here. In today's demonstration, we're going to make an observation about these white beads I have here. So they're all white beads, and over here I have a black light. Now right now the black light is off. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these beads and take these two plastic discs. Now with these plastic discs, they are what we call transparent. You can see right through them. If I hold them up on the poster, you look right through them. I can't tell the difference between the two just by looking at them. But it turns out there's something special. I'm going to take these plastic discs and I'm going to set them on top of these two bags of beads. And then I'm going to put them under the black light.
This thing will turn on. I'm going to have to edit out because this thing is very finicky.
Magic. After a few minutes, you may start noticing a change in the beads. So on the left, you may see that the beads underneath that plastic are changing color, just like the other ones. But over here, the ones underneath the plastic are only changing color very, very little. Well, this tells you two things. First, it tells you there's something given off by this black light that causes those beads to change color. The other thing you can conclude is that whatever makes those beads change color does not get through this piece of plastic right here. Well, the very strange thing about this is that if I hold these pieces of plastic up to the black light, now this is on, if you take a look, you can still see all that violet light from the black light going through. So it tells you that whatever is going through one disc and not through the other is something that you can't see with your eye, and that's what we call ultraviolet. So one of these blocks ultraviolet and one of these doesn't. In fact, you can show that right here. On this yellow piece of paper, if I put it under a black light, you can see it displaying the text that says UV light is present. So if I have it under the black light, all of that glows. But if I take these two discs, you can see that in this case, the UV light still goes through, causing that ink to glow. And on this one, it blocks the UV, the ultraviolet, and therefore the ink behind it does not glow. So it tells you that ultraviolet is something given off by this black light, but something that is not visible to your eye.